Hello and welcome back for another Fetch AI price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my breakout targets here on the Fetch AI chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, we are seeing a very nice reaction to a target area that I gave you in my previous videos, highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, which was the minimum retracement area for this higher Elliot wave count 2. And at the time of this recording, you can see that Fetch AI has managed to break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And the next areas that I'm keeping my eyes on is at around the $0.2559 mark, which is a key area of resistance. And the moment we manage to break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. And Fetch AI has done all these after we fully peaked in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1, which played out after seeing our lows on the 10th of June at around the $0.1728 mark, where we peaked in the formation of that wave 1, saw a breakdown move in this wave 2, and is now ready for a massive pump to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.3349 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Fetch AI to do in the formation of that wave 3. And those are my breakout targets in the formation of that wave 3 here on the Fetch AI chart. And on the short-term point of view, the first target areas that you need to have in mind is at the key area of resistance at around the $0.2535 mark, and a break above that key area of resistance. Watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up, and also see a break above the $0.3 mark. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Fetch AI chart on the short-term point of view. And also remember that we can get rejected by this key area of resistance, and if that plays out, then we can expect a bit of a pullback here on the charts, maybe fully maximizing this blue target area before we can start gearing up impulsively once more in the formation of that wave 3. And zooming out on the charts to give you what I have been expecting on the long-term point of view, you can see that after seeing our November lows at around the $0.0525 mark, we peaked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.6 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, fully maximizing minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And there are chances that Fetch AI is now going to give us a reaction of that target area and start an impulse in the formation of this wave 3. And for it to confirm to us that we have a low in place for the second wave, we first need to see a complete 5-wave structure here on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure and a break above significant highs. And the moment that plays out, then Fetch AI will continue gearing up and see a break above the $1 mark in the formation of this wave 3. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Fetch AI chart. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 69 mark, supporting higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.